Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku Heavy in this daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, still Friday, October the 23rd, 2020. The second regular Sudoku is a Sudoku Heavy, and the question is, how heavy is this one? I do not know, so we will check how heavy this one is. But this one will be number 1791. Yes. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. 12 plus 4 16. Plus 2 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. 24 we have here. Total. Yes, total of 24 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 4 stars Sudoku. Alright, so how heavy is this one? Well, if it's really a 4 star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve this. So let's see how many minutes I need to have to solve this Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. In this column we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. Well, we see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Alright. Let me see. How about the 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then. Alright. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. 8. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. Let me think. We have a pair. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8. We have a 3 and an 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 and an 8 in this row, so no 3 and 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark them for you, so it's easier to follow. And then we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column the only place for the 4 should be there. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. That means we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be an 8. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row, a 3 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. Let me think. 1, 2, 4, 7. Well. 4. Yeah. 9, 5, 4. Yeah. Yes. Let me mark something. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Same with the 9, 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, so no 9 there, so the 9 could be here, could be there. And the other digit should be a 2 in this column, a 2 in the last column, so the column between. Only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. Well, it could be everywhere. Let me mark them. So we have a 8, 2, 9, 8, 2, 9 in these 3 boxes. 8, 2, 9. So the other 3 boxes should be the 1, the 6. And we have a 6 there, so no 6 here. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 1 and the 7 are missing, so this should be 1 and 7. 1 and 7. Alright. These 2 boxes with 4. Yeah. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so in the row between the second row. The only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. How about these 2 numbers? In the first column, the missing numbers here are the 8 and the 7. 8 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and I've eliminated the 8, and the 8 goes there. So I've marked those 2 boxes with the 8. So 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. Then how about 5, 5, 7, 7. 1. Yeah. Look, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. That means one of these 2 boxes must be a 7 in this row. So this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 7. Then 7 and 4, 7 and 4. These 2 numbers in this column. The missing numbers here are the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them, 1 and the 3. Those 2 numbers, 1 and the, no, the 7 and the 4, 7 and the 4. It's up here. This is also 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. 9, 2, 9 and 1, 1. 1. Okay. 2, 7, 3. I need a 3 there. Yeah, we have a pair. 7 and a 3. 7 and a 3 in this row. 7 and a 3 in that row. We are missing the 7 and a 3 in the first row. Let me mark them, 7 and a 3. So the other 2 numbers in this big square should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 7 and a 3. So the other 2 numbers as a pair, the 8 and the 2. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 should be there, and the 2 goes here. 2 and 9, 2 and 9 are left. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. Let me mark them. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. 7 and 4 are missing in this row. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7 in this big square, and this should be a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Or there we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. We have a pair, 1 and 9. This should be also 1 and 9. We have a pair here, that means the other 2 numbers should be the 5. Nope, 5 we have. 7 and the 2. 7 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 9. 1 number left in this column for the number 8, I believe. Yes, 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 1. Then 2 numbers left in the second column, the 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 3. Finish in 80 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I finished this within 30 minutes. So is it really a 4 stars? I don't think so. With the 4-star Sudoku, I need really 30 minutes to solve. This one I have managed to solve it in 18 minutes. So maybe 2 stars or 3 stars. I think whether a 2-star Sudoku this is. Alright, I like the Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Thank you. See you later with the additionals. Bye bye for now.